Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own delicious ice cream from scratch. First, gather your essential ingredients, including 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and your preferred flavorings like vanilla extract. Remember to place your ice cream maker's bowl in the freezer for a minimum of 24 hours to ensure it is perfectly chilled for churning. This crucial step helps achieve the ideal creamy texture. Next, let's create the rich ice cream base. In a medium saucepan, combine the 3/4 of a cup of sugar with 1 cup of whole milk. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Remove it from the heat, then whisk in 2 cups of heavy cream and any liquid flavorings, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, chill this base thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Now for the exciting part, churning. Once your ice cream base is completely chilled, pour it into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl. Turn on your machine and let it churn for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. The exact time will depend on your specific model. As it churns, the mixture will gradually thicken, transforming into a delightful soft-serve consistency. This process incorporates air, creating that wonderful, creamy texture we all love. Finally, it's time to prepare your ice cream for serving. Carefully transfer the freshly churned, soft ice cream from the machine into an airtight freezer-safe container. Place the container in your freezer for a minimum of 4 hours. This allows the ice cream to harden to a scoopable consistency. When ready, simply scoop out generous portions of your delicious homemade creation. Enjoy it plain, or add your favorite toppings for an extra special treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.